For decades, the fastest and most expensive cars in the world were designed by elite human engineers. Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, teams of the smartest people on Earth. That era is ending because AI is now designing supercars that humans literally cannot build on their own. And most people have no idea this is happening. Right now, AI systems are being used to design car frames, airflow systems, suspension geometry, and engine layouts that no human would ever think of. Not because humans aren't smart, but because AI doesn't think like humans. It runs millions of simulations at once. It tests shapes that look wrong, ugly, impossible, until they outperform everything else. That's how AI-designed parts are already being used in motorsports, aerospace, and hypercar development. Some of the strongest car components ever created look like alien bones, no straight lines, no symmetry, just pure performance. Here's the scary part. AI doesn't care about tradition. It doesn't care what a Ferrari should look like. It doesn't care what engineers learned in school. It only cares about results. Lower drag, more downforce, less weight, higher speed. That's why AI-designed supercars are coming faster, lighter, and more extreme than anything before them. And it's not just concept cars. Major manufacturers are already using AI to design chassis components, optimize aerodynamics, simulate crashes, predict failures before cars are even built. This means fewer engineers, faster development, and cheaper production. The same technology replacing jobs is now replacing human creativity. Soon, the question won't be who designed this car, it'll be which AI designed it. And this doesn't stop with supercars. If AI can outperform humans in the most elite engineering environments on Earth, what do you think it's doing everywhere else? This is why understanding AI matters. Not because it's cool, not because it's trendy, but because it's rewriting who wins and who gets left behind. If you want to stay ahead of what AI is actually doing, not the fake hype, make sure you're subscribed. And as a thank you for supporting the channel, we're running a 250 giveaway when we hit our next subscriber milestone. Details are in the description. AI isn't just changing cars, it's changing everything.